If Photopea is showing a GPU error or your canvas is lagging, blanking out, or failing to render properly, don't worry, there are a few simple fixes you can try right now. In this video, I'll walk you through the best steps to troubleshoot the Photopea GPU error, improve performance, and get your project working again. And if this guide helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's start with the easiest fix inside Photopea itself. Open Photopea in your browser, then look at the top navigation bar and click More. Inside that menu, find Use WebGL and turn it off by unchecking it. What this does is force Photopea to stop relying on WebGL and use standard 2D canvas rendering instead. That can reduce GPU memory usage and help if your graphics card is struggling, overloaded, or running into a compatibility issue. In some cases, your files may process a little slower, but the trade-off is often much more stable performance. If the error is still there, the next step is to toggle hardware acceleration in your browser. Sometimes the issue is not Photopea itself, but a browser graphics setting or a locked GPU process. Open your browser settings and go to the System section. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it's turned on, switch it off. If it's already off, turn it on instead. Then relaunch your browser completely so the change can take effect. This refreshes the browser's graphics pipeline and can clear conflicts that are causing the Photopea GPU error. Now let's verify whether your browser is actually recognizing hardware acceleration correctly. Open a new tab and type Chrome/GPU if you're using Chrome, or About Support if you're using Firefox. Press Enter and look for the Graphics Feature Status section. Here, you want to confirm that WebGL or WebGL2 is listed as hardware accelerated. If it says software only, disabled or blocked, that points to a browser, driver, or system-level graphics issue rather than a problem with your specific Photopea project. Another very useful test is to open Photopea in Incognito or private mode. Press Command-Shift-N on Mac or Control-Shift-N on Windows to open a private window. Then go to photopea.com and test the same file again. This helps you bypass browser extensions that may interfere with rendering. Ad blockers, privacy tools, anti-fingerprinting extensions, and even some dark mode extensions can block WebGL Canvas APIs or interrupt the way Photopea loads graphics. If Photopea works in incognito mode, then the problem is very likely caused by one of your extensions. If none of that solves it, the next thing to do is reduce the document size and flatten heavy layers. Large canvas dimensions, huge smart objects, and complex adjustment stacks can push your graphics card past its VRAM limit. To fix that, go to Image, then Image Size, and scale down any oversized dimensions if possible. Next, in the Layers panel, right-click Complex Smart Objects or Adjustment Layers and choose Rasterize if they don't need to stay editable. After that, you can go to Layer and choose Flatten Image, or merge layers you no longer need. This reduces the active memory buffer and makes it much easier for Photopea to render your file without triggering a GPU issue. If you're still having trouble after all these steps, try combining them instead of using just one. For example, turn off WebGL in Photopea, restart your browser with hardware acceleration reset, test in Incognito, and reduce the file size if the document is especially large. In many cases, the issue is caused by more than one thing at once, so a layered approach works best. I hope this helped you fix the Photopea GPU error and get back to editing faster. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.